Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about gratitude and reaching the feeling of it is done. For me, this quote is about learning to live in the feeling of it is done even when there is no physical proof yet. And gratitude is one of the strongest feelings of acceptance, the sign that your inner world has accepted it. Now I'm going to break it down in a very practical way. So when you come into the joy of thanksgiving so that you actually feel grateful for having received that which is not yet apparent to the senses, you have definitely become one in consciousness with the thing for which you gave thanks. So what I've come to understand is that when you can truly feel thankful and joyful for something you want before it actually shows up in your physical world, that's when you're doing it right. It's not about pretending or forcing a feeling. It's about getting to a place inside where it feels so real, you honestly feel grateful as if it already happened. This is the moment when you enter into a deep emotional state of joy and sincere gratitude, a feeling so strong that it is as if you have already received the thing that you desire, even though at this moment your physical eyes and your senses cannot yet detect any evidence of it. This means you're not just hoping or pretending, you're actually feeling inside yourself, yes, I have it already, even though your five senses like sight, sound or touch cannot detect it yet. Your inner world is fully convinced that it's already done. That feeling of gratitude is proof that in your mind and heart the desire is already real. And by feeling genuine gratitude for something before it shows up, you are no longer separate from it in your mind. You have entered the state of being where the desire is no longer a wish, but a lived reality within you. In other words, your inner world, that means your consciousness, has merged with the reality of already having it. And since consciousness is the cause of all outer experiences, that inner union will eventually reflect itself in the external world. So when you feel the kind of deep gratitude, you've become one with your desire in your mind. You and the thing you want are connected. You are not wishing for it anymore. You are living from the state of already having it. Your state of consciousness has now matched that feeling of already having the thing you want. And once your inner state matches that desire that you want, it has no other way but to show up in your outside world sooner or later. And here comes the second part. God, your awareness is not mocked. You are ever receiving that which you are aware of being, and no man gives thanks for something which he has not received. Now here's something important. You have to know that God is not mocked, but what it really means is that your awareness, your own sense of being, that is your I am, it cannot be fooled. You cannot trick your own inner world by saying the right words while secretly feeling the opposite. Your life will reflect whatever you truly believe and accept on the inside, not just what you say on the outside. You can say all the right words or do all the right techniques, but if you deep down you feel doubt, fear or lack, your awareness will know it. Your true state of being always creates your results. You are always getting back what you believe yourself to be. That's how this works. Life doesn't give you what you want just because you want it. It gives you what you are on the inside. If you walk around feeling like you're broke, unwanted or unlucky, then that's the kind of reality that keeps showing up. But if you shift and become aware of being someone who is already blessed, successful or loved, your world will begin to rearrange itself to match that awareness. And really stop and think about it. Have you ever said thank you for something that you don't have? Actually, nobody sincerely says thank you for something they don't believe they have received. Real gratitude only comes when you feel like you already have it. So if you're saying thank you before something even shows up and you mean it, that tells you everything. It means that deep down, you have already accepted it as yours. You are not waiting anymore. You are living as if it's done, and that will make it real. Let's take an example here. If someone hands you a birthday present, you say thank you because it's yours. But if they just say, one day I will get you something, you wouldn't say thank you yet because that's not real, that's not yours yet. So if you're able to feel thankful right now for something that you want, even though it hasn't showed up yet, it means on the same level you have already received it in your imagination. And once you receive it there, it's only a matter of time before it shows up out there in your reality. So if you're not used to feeling grateful and giving thanks, it will not be easy for you in the beginning. But if you constantly remind yourself about it, if you practice daily, you will make it very natural and effortlessly. So if you can feel thankful right now for something that you want before there is any proof of it in your life, then you are not just hoping, you are knowing. And once you feel it's already yours and you mean it, that's when you moved into the state where it has to show up, because your reality always comes from what you're aware of being, not what you say, not what you wish, but what you deeply feel yourself to be. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you would like me to post videos like this every day.